man! Welcome to the Frickcast. Today I bring you some more Squatch news, as well as some speculation about Halloween. As pointed out by some of you in the comments, and on the Squatch Reddit, Brick of the Dead is available at certain Walmarts now, so it's all but certain we'll get this bar for Halloween. It's not surprising that the Spooky Boy is coming back for spooky season, but it does raise some questions about some other bricks. The question on everyone's minds is, what is going on with Drunken Pumpkin? Now this is one of mine, and from the looks of it, a lot of your guys' favorite limiteds, and it's the only brick that has yet to receive the new packaging. I would think that this bar would be prioritized over the Brick of the Dead, since we got the Dead Boy last year and haven't gotten the Pumpkin Boy in 2 years. Squatch likes to cycle through their limiteds sometimes. We've skipped a year of the Bow Chicka Wow Wow before, and Chalky Milk as well if I recall correctly, so I have two theories. One is that the Drunken Pumpkin is just straight up axed. It has a very similar scent to the Wood Barrel Bourbon, which was released soon after, and the Pumpkin Boy just might have been Cedar Citrus behind the scenes, reworked into the Wood Barrel Bourbon. This is possible, but I think it's not the case. The other possibility is that we're getting a Halloween bundle. This is what I'm hoping for, and what I think will happen. The Drunken Pumpkin is a fan favorite, and it would be to Squatch's benefit to re-release this bar in its long-awaited new packaging. And it would be a classic Squatch move to make the Pumpkin Boy exclusive in a bundle containing the Brick of the Dead. I believe they did this last year with the Snowy Pine Tar. Of course, a bundle may just need a third brick, and it's interesting that we now lack a certain citrus-themed bar. Recently, we received the news that the Cedar Citrus was being discontinued, as well as news that some citrus vibes were coming our way. Now, given that this news broke right at the beginning of spooky season, perhaps we see a third Halloween brick that is orange-themed. And if I can just throw an idea out there, why not an Orange Cream Boy? It would fit the Halloween theme and be a very interesting limited flavor. It of course has orange and citrus, but would be a unique spin on it with vanilla and cream. Orange cream has been the brick I've been waiting for, and this would be a perfect time, I'd say. I'm just speculating of course, but maybe some sort of orange boy for Halloween isn't all that far-fetched. I'm not entirely sure the Cedar Citrus gets replaced by a new OG. They already have a strong citrus scent with the Grapefruit IPA, and have a pretty long list of OGs now. I think the Cedar Citrus was axed because of poor sales and poor reviews, as well as Squatch having so many bricks on their website now that it just doesn't make sense to keep a bar like that around. Limited bars, especially new limiteds, generate a ton of buzz and I'd imagine profit for Squatch, with everyone wanting to try the new brick before it's gone. So if the Cedar Boy does indeed get a replacement with citrus vibes, perhaps this is the path they take. This is all just my thoughts and speculation though. I just wanted to share this and hopefully hear from you guys in the comments. What do you think we'll see for spooky season? Do you think the Drunken Pumpkin will make a triumphant return? Do you think we'll see a bundle with perhaps a third orange or citrus themed bar? Let me know what you guys think. The Brick of the Dead soap guide is currently in the works. I've already shown some of the background footage here, so that should be out soon now that I've finally gotten through all the Star Wars. I also hope to have the Drunken Pumpkin guide out soon too. I have the original brick, but I'm holding out for the new packaging before we take the photos. So we'll see what happens. That's gonna do it for this video. Stay tuned for more updates. As always, thank you for your support. Frick Nation, let's ride!